when Zach does them, or I clean coils, or whoever cleans coils, we get a lot of customers. We'll take pictures. Like this is before. Look at the garbage coming out with the foam, and it's like, holy crap! I didn't know it was that bad. So you can save yourself some money. Long story short, save yourself some money. Have these units maintained. Have them checked out. Use regular air filters. You can see your hand through on the other side, and keep that airflow going.
Two-part question, real quick. I got a.
Time's up.
Okay. Wait till I get that done. I got the MERV 11, I believe, came with my thing. Should I be changing?
No, you have a air filtration system on there, which is 5 inches wide.
Okay.
You have an air box.
And I gotta say that years ago you told me to keep the house temperature no more than 1 to 2 degrees, which I just gotta tell everybody, my bills are steady every month because I've been doing that for years. I don't want the system to work harder just because I got home. So if we're traveling, I'll take it down, maybe up 2 degrees, and that's about it.